Let's make Uzbek Samsa, one of the most iconic and beloved dishes in Uzbek cuisine. Flaky, golden pastry filled with juicy meat and onions. A perfect choice for Ramadan iftar or a yummy snack. Let's get started. In 250 milliliters of water, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of instant active dry yeast. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. 1 lightly beaten egg. Beat the mixture to combine. We have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. In a big bowl, add 2 cups of it. Add the egg mixture and keep mixing. Keep adding remaining flour until you get a soft dough. Knead the dough for about 6 to 8 minutes on floured surface. Use all remaining flour. Rest the dough for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, knead the dough 5 more minutes. Now divide it into 4 equal portions. Shape it into balls. Now on a floured surface, make a thin circle with the help of a rolling pin. Roll all 4 of them. Now melt around 150 milliliters of unsalted butter. Apply all over the surface of rolled dough, one by one. Try to stack the dough exactly on each other. You can prepare this dough one day before serving and refrigerate it overnight. When all 4 are stacked, apply the melted butter over the top. Carefully roll it. Pinch the end throughout the length of the roll. Put the dough in refrigerator for 30 minutes or overnight if want to bake next day. Let's prepare the filling. We are using 500 grams of chicken thighs. Cut the chicken into small pieces. Traditionally for the filling, beef and lamb are the first choice. Coarsely chop 400 grams of onions. Add this to meat bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of Cumin seeds. Mix it to combine. This is ready to fill into the pastry, but we can add few more ingredients according to our choice. Remove the seeds from the tomatoes and cut into small pieces. We need 1 cup of it. One cup of green pepper, cut into small pieces. 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. Add all ingredients along with 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Add 1/4 cup of oil. It will help the filling to remain separated, not to make a lump inside the pastry. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Mix it to combine. Cut the dough into 12 equal pieces. Gently press the dough. Grease the parchment paper over the baking tray. On floured surface, roll the dough to the size of the palm. Samsa is made in different sizes and shapes. Put the filling in the center. To make a triangle, take the dough from 3 sides and pinch it to seal. Make all the pastries. Beat 1 egg for the egg wash. Brush it over all the samsas you made. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of black and white sesame seeds. Bake in 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 40 minutes until golden. Delicious samsa are ready. These pastries are crispy, moist, and buttery. The taste of meat makes it irresistible. Look at that, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Let me know in the comments if you've tried samsa before or if this is your first time. Thanks for watching.